Well, my name is Amina. I'm a PhD student at Swansea University. My research is funded by Tenovus Cancer Charity. My research is focusing on older people with cancer. As I have personally been working with cancer in older people on a ward, I'm very much interested in to look at the psychosocial perspective of cancer. Hopefully my study will establish an understanding of cancer in old age.
So I'm Florian, I'm a Tenovus student working in Cardiff University School of Medicine. We are working on malignant melanoma. So malignant melanoma is a very aggressive and deadly form of skin cancer. And while the incidence of some kind of cancer is decreasing, the incidence of malignant melanoma is increasing dramatically.
My name's Hannah and I'm a PhD student at the Institute of Medical Genetics in Cardiff. The thing that interests me most is the genetics behind cancer, in particular colorectal cancer. And the main focus of my work is screening a huge variety of genes in the DNA of patients with colorectal cancer.
My name is Leah. I'm from Germany originally, and there I studied biology during the last 5 years. Then I finished my studies with my master degree and I applied for a PhD position in Cardiff. In the next 3 years I will investigate a very aggressive kind of brain cancer. This kind of brain cancer is called glioblastoma. Glioblastoma is the most common and most aggressive kind of primary brain cancer. And unfortunately at the moment it's not possible to treat this cancer very well. So patients affected by glioblastoma get very bad prognosis, which means the mean survival time of patients is only about several months.
My name's Luke. I'm a PhD student funded by Tenovus, and I work for Dr. Richard Clarkson in the School of Biosciences here at Cardiff University, and I work in the field of breast cancer. So what I do, my research, is based around trying to come up with treatments to try and kill or eliminate these breast cancer stem cells. And what we've found to date so far is a combination drug treatment which is capable of eliminating these breast cancer stem cells within also all sorts of different types of breast cancer.
My name is Mira and I am a PhD student at Cardiff University, and my project is funded by Tenovus. Our group works on genes and looking at the role of genes in the different stages of colorectal cancer, from the development of a benign tumour to the role of the gene in possibly invasive or metastatic colorectal cancer.
Well, my name is Rink. I'm from the Netherlands. I'm currently working on cell signaling, which pretty much means that the way cancer develops is that some communication within a cell goes wrong, and that's why the cell thinks it should divide and keep on dividing. What I'm interested in is finding out how that process works, and the way I'm trying to study that is by actually looking at the proteins that are involved in that entire communication network that tell each other what to do.
My name is Xiao Tian and I'm originally from Malaysia. I came to UK in 2002 to do my MSc degree in public health and health promotion. In the area of my research, my PhD research, is to look at how we could run a research project efficiently with the available research resources we have. My mom just got diagnosed with womb cancer 4 years ago and she passed away last summer, and that makes me really feel of how we should properly and wisely use the money we got funded by the funders into research and get more people healed. That would be a marvelous wish for me.
I think the thing I enjoy most about research is, cancer is a very complex disease, and actually learning about how it occurs and ways in which we can stop cancer is, for me, very fascinating. I think that's the thing I enjoy most.
And you also get to meet a diverse range of people whilst doing your research, all the way from clinicians sometimes to patients. And it's very nice to see how the work that you're doing directly helps people.
The most enjoyable thing about my PhD is having contact with patients, really, because I'm interviewing them. So that's the most enjoyable thing, because I learn a lot from them.
What I enjoy most about my PhD is doing something in the lab that could possibly then help somebody somewhere with cancer.
Being in the lab, working so hard on getting this protein crystallized and then it actually working, it's almost liberating feeling.
Well, I like the idea that perhaps someday when I will finish my investigations, that we will be able to really help people suffering from cancer.